Hello and welcome to this tutorial on book excerpts. Pause the video and have a go at answering the 2 questions on the extract from Twelfth Night by Andrew Zucker. When you are ready, press play and we'll go through the questions together. Okay, let's go through question 1. What adverb is used to describe how Kay shut her right eye? Firmly, squeezed, deliriously, tired. An adverb describes verbs and usually end in ly. Looking at line 3, we can see her right eye she had squeezed firmly shut. The verb or action word here is to squeeze, and the word to how she squeezed is firmly. Therefore, firmly is the adverb, so the answer is A. Brilliant work if you got the correct answer. Let's look at question 2. What's Kay's sister called? Jessica, Eloise, Francesca, Susan. After skimming and scanning the text, looking for keywords such as sister, line 15 states little sister Eloise. Therefore, the right answer is B, Eloise. Well done if you got the correct answer. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.